Alright everybody, I know it's been a few days since we've made a video, but we've been waiting on a bunch of parts to show up, and guess what just came in the mail today? Once I got the entire quarter panel welded in, I like to use Evercoat brushable seam sealer. I'll show it to you here in just a second. There it is. And I find this stuff works really well. It does kind of make a huge mess, and it stinks and gets everywhere, including all over your arms and hair, and it's a pain to come off. But I find that of all of the products, it works just about better than anything else. I've never had any leaks between panels when using this stuff, and really like the way that it goes on. I struggled with which welder to get. I'd looked at the Eastwoods and Lincoln and Miller, and for the money I decided on the Harbor Freight Titanium 140. The reviews were really good on it. It's got an all-metal drive system. It only weighs 28 pounds, and for what I do, it's going to work perfect. I only do light body work and some fabrication, and decided to save the money on the welder and put that towards other projects here on the car. Every new subscriber in the month of March gets automatically entered to win a chance to get a free Auto Anatomy pop socket. So as you can see, we got a lot accomplished today. We got the quarter panel on, the wheelhouse in place, and everything's pretty much mocked up, ready to go on the passenger side. So next time on Auto Anatomy, we'll get the passenger side wheelhouse fitted in place, start mocking up the quarter panel, maybe weld it in, and then I'll talk briefly about what I'm going to use for sound deadening on the interior of the car. It might surprise you. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. You can click on the bell to be notified of any new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.